Click2Cloud, a cloud assessment and migration company, offers you with two platforms, Cloud and cloudsbrain, where you can manage, assess, and migrate your database, application, storage, networks, data center, and infrastructure from one cloud to another with simple steps. Cloudsbrain, a fully automated, multi-cloud migration platform with multiple features, helps you with migration, billing and budget management, optimization, orchestration, and containerization facilities. Before opting for migration, you need to know about its detailing. You can analyze it with our semi-automated platform Cloud2Cloud. An assessment platform, Cloud2Cloud will help you with assess, manage, and discover your infra before going for migration. Click2Cloud's Cloud2Cloud helps with maturity assessment, discovery analysis, right-sizing activity, TCO. These steps helps you to decide to move your databases, applications, or complete on-premise, data center to cloud. With Cloudsbrain Compute Module, you can easily add multi-cloud providers and infrastructure to your cloud environment. Compute enables you to access, rehost your physical infrastructure, virtual machines, instances using Cloudsbrain. Cloudsbrain Network Module helps you to access the topology of your multi-cloud, network providers, subnets, network routers, tenants and floating IPs. A simple graphical representation of your cloud networks through topology makes it easy for users to manage and keep track of their cloud networks. Cloudsbrain helps businesses to manage their cloud network management, monitoring, maintenance, and security services. Cloudsbrain Storage is a high-performance storage for mission-critical and customized enterprise applications of long-term storage for highly efficient data archiving. Cloudsbrain Storage delivers a reliable, secure, and always available storage platform. You can migrate your database, application, virtual machine, infra, and storage with migration tool of Cloudsbrain. It helps you to do multi-cloud migration and supports multiple cloud scenarios for migration. Cloudsbrain is the automation solution that spans across your hybrid environment. A multi-cloud management product that operates orchestration features. It automates any process of delivering services on traditional data centers and hybrid cloud environments. Digital transformation is driving the adoption of new application, development, and deployment approach. Called cloud-native container technology. Cloudsbrain containers are a solution to the problem of how to get software to run reliably when moved from one computing environment to another. It is lightweight standalone executable package. Also, you can move your application easily, from a developer's laptop to a testing environment or from a staging environment, into a production environment. From physical machine to VM in a private or public cloud. Manage your overall cloud cost, prediction analysis, and billing with Cloudsbrain Cost Manager tool. Leverage your storage, compute, and network and billing usage. Multi-cloud accounts resource utilization over time period. One simple path for your cloud budget and billing management. Cost Manager by Cloudsbrain. For more updates on Cloudsbrain and Cloud2Cloud, stay tuned with Click2Cloud.com. Thank you.